Okay, coming into the cottage. Look at this fun landscaping. And I love this little seating area. And we put a little outlet there if you need to charge your phone. Let's head in here. Taking our shoes off. So, little office desk, nice big windows. Let me zoom out for you. We have a hip roof in here to match the main house. TV, finished concrete, and some fun semi-handmade kitchen cabinets. Nice storage here. Fun stove. We've got washer and dryer inside here, and we have a little sleeping loft, storage loft up above there. So this will be the washer and dryer. There's Ken outside. Okay, here's the bathroom. Ooh, look at that. See, that's the nightlight that clicks on when you open the door. It's great, so you don't. And there's me in my mask and crazy sunglass duo. And then our fun shower. We've got a towel bar on the back and a little extra storage. So that's super fun. And then we have the fun flex room. So big doors to the outside. We've got some privacy screens, and then this is so fun. This is the Murphy bed. So we've got skylights up above, nice big windows, fun window treatment. Heating and cooling is with the mini split. Ooh, and her fun light is down there, but they've just finished and we're just getting the first piece.